What's up, guys? Make look at your walk when I'm saying it's a baby girl, Mommy Pounds. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe. Welcome to my channel. To my old subscribers, I love you. Thank you for coming back. On today's episode, we're gonna make a healthy and a nutritious smoothie. So to start with, we've already washed our hands. My hands is very dry. Oh my god, look at, I have a dry skin. Sorry guys. We have our bananas, we have our grapes. Is it red or wine, or I don't know the color. And then we have the green one. We have our fresh milk. Yep, you can see we have our fresh milk. We have our oats. Yeah, oats. And then we have our honey coochie coochie. What's up? And then of course the almighty smoothie blender. Yeah, so we're gonna start with, without wasting much time, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So to start with, or to begin with, we're gonna start to peel our banana. Yeah, this is very hard. I have to use all my strength, yeah, to just peel this banana. Yeah, so here we go. Remember guys, I've already washed my hand. My hands are clean, just that it's too dry. Yeah, I have a dry skin. So at this point, I have to find a knife and then start cutting. Please remember, it depends on how you want it. You can put any amount of milk that you want, or amount of oats that you want as well. Just remember, you don't have to make the oats that much because you're gonna lose the taste. Please shake well before you blend everything together. You can see the grapes, especially the red one. It has a very hard skin. So you can choose to peel off the skin so that you'll not see any skin in your smoothie. But I prefer it this way. Yeah, I love to chew everything. Aww. This looks very lovely. That's your smoothie. Smoothie ready. Serve. It's ready. You can serve now. Smoothie is ready. Guys, you can try this home. It's easy. As you can see, the ingredients are not expensive. It's very easy. You can try it for your kids when they are going to school. You can just do it. It's easy as ABCD. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Until I see you again, bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.